First, I want to congratulate you on getting the KD Publishing Pro software. And in this short video, what I'm going to do is show you how to quickly install it on your PC. So the first thing you want to do here is go to the software page, which is probably the page you're looking at right now, and you'll see a green button down below or some sort of link. And all you got to do is click that download button or link, and you will download the software to your computer in the form of a zip file. So a zip file is a compressed file. So I'll explain that in just a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click save, and I'm going to save this to my computer. Now I'm using Firefox. This little window may look different if you're using Explorer or Chrome or something like that, but all it is just going to save this file to your computer. So I'll just go ahead and select a location on my computer, and I'm just going to select one of my hard drives here. Now if you're not sure where to save files on your computer, what you can do is just select the desktop if you'd like, because it's always simple to find the desktop. But I'm just going to go ahead and select this hard drive I have here that I have named working. So I'm going to save it here and just click the save button. Now it's saved, and what I'm going to do is go to that location where I saved it. You can see here, and you can see it's in the form of a zip file. To extract the contents of a zip file, you can do this very easily in Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, as well as Windows 8. And the way to do that is all you have to do is select it, and you can right click and you can select extract all. So I'll just select that, and then what it's going to do is it's going to create another folder, a subfolder in here, and it's going to name that subfolder the same name as the zip file. So it's going to create another folder in here called the KD Publishing Pro Setup, and I'll just uncheck that. This just opens up another Explorer window, which I don't want to. I already have one open, so I'm just going to go ahead and click extract. So it's going to create that folder and put the software setup file within that folder, just like that. Now if you prefer, you don't have to use the built-in extractor for Windows. You can actually install your own zip utility software, and the one that I like using is called 7zip.com, or sorry, .org. So if you go to just go to Google and just type in 7-zip, and then you go to 7-zip.org and go ahead and download the software here. If you have a 64-bit operating system, then go ahead and download this one here. Now if you don't, download this one. If you don't know if you have a 64-bit operating system, just download the 32-bit. It'll work on both. So go ahead and download that, and you can install it. Then after you do that, to uninstall, all you have to do is right click and select 7-zip here and extract here, and it'll extract the contents. So a couple different ways you can extract content from a zip file. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and remove this folder here and remove this just to clean things up. So right click and just delete. So I have the .msi, which is the setup file. And on Windows, all you have to do is just double click this file and then follow the instructions to actually install it. Now I've already installed it on this computer, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again. And that's all going to happen. You may see a few other things go on there, but what it will do is insert or put an icon on your desktop, and that icon will look like this. If you don't find it in your desktop, then you can always go to the start button and search for KD Publishing Pro, and you'll find it. If you double click that, it'll bring up the software KD Publishing Pro. And that is basically how you install the software on your computer. Very simple, easy to do.